So, welcome again guys for another video tutorial for our integral calculus. This is still about substitution method. Okay? So, for this problem, we have a exponential function. Okay? So, we have our problem here is integral of e raised to 2x minus 1 over e raised to 2x plus 1. So, for this one, i-recall lang muna natin, recall ang integral of e raised to u du, that is simply equal to e raised to u plus c. Okay? Recall ko lang, baka kasi makalimutan nyo. So, next is, for our solution, ang next na gagawin natin, or yung first step pala, rather, wait, still not, So, ang first step natin gagawin, siguro, I can split this as two fractions, okay? Split ko to as two fractions, because we have two terms here, pwede ko itong split as 2. So, pwedeng ganito. So, magiging, for first term, we have e raised to 2x over e raised to 2x plus 1, okay? Since this is negative, so I will also put minus, okay? Minus 1 over e raised to 2x plus 1. Because if you combine this again, or i-add mo to, or yeah, i-simplify, ito is equal lang sila. And then dx. Next is, I will simplify this, or distribute rather, yung integral together with the dx. So, magiging integral of e raised to 2x dx over e raised to 2x plus 1. And then minus integral of, so dx times 1 is just dx over e raised to 2x plus 1. Okay? After nyan, so integrate natin siya 1 by 1 or each term. So for the first term, what do you think sino yung i-let natin as u? So for this one, usually guys, kapag mag-let ka ng u, usually is yung denominator, okay? Like this. So if I try to let's say, let u equal to, ang question is, it is just e raised to 2x or include yung plus 1? We need to include plus 1, okay? Para yung whole term dito sa ibaba, it will simplify na lang as isang term, which is itong u. So, i-let natin u equal to e raised to 2x plus 1. Differentiate. Derivative ng e raised to 2x is equal to 2 e raised to 2x. Okay? Hindi ko na need to recall ha. That is for your differential calculus. And then, derivative of 1 is just 0. So, this will become 2 e raised to 2x dx. But the only problem, I'll put pala this one. Yan. This is for the first term. But the only problem here is that yung e raised to 2x natin dito, okay? This one here and this one here, there's no 2. Dito pala, there's no 2. So, divide natin both sides by 2. Cancel this out. So, therefore, our e raised to 2x dx, which is this here, is equal to du over 2. Now, I can rewrite this in terms of u. So, dito ko lang nalagay. So, magiging integral of e raised to 2x dx is equal to du over 2 over e raised to 2x plus 1, that is equal to u. Or simply, I can put the 1/2 before the integral sign. So, magiging 1/2 integral of du over u. Okay? After, so evaluate this. This is just equal to ln. So, this will become 1/2 ln of u plus c. Or since this is our first term, pwede ka itong ilagay as c1 equal to 1/2, or u is equal to e raised to 2x plus 1. Ay, joke. Bakit nilagay ko sa 2x plus 1 plus c1. Okay? So, this is our first term. But we still have our second term. How can we integrate this one? Sige. Let's focus on integrating this second term, which is 1 over e raised to 2x plus 1. Okay? So, ang gagawin ko dito is I will manipulate this 1. Ang i-manipulate ko dito is yung numerator. Bakit? Okay. Notice that yung term natin dito sa itaas is just 1. Okay? May 1 dyan. And then notice that we have plus 1 here. Right? So, how can I make a substitution later para how can I manipulate this one para later on meron akong substitution na nag-a-appear or mag-a-appear yung a raised to 2x sa itaas. Okay, ganito. Gagawin ko siyang e raised to 2x minus e raised to 2x plus 1 over e raised to 2x plus 1 dx. Bakit ginawa ko siyang ganyan? Because if you try to minus this one, that is just equal to 0, right? Or ang matitira is just 1, which is equal to this one. So this one and this one are just equal. Okay? After, if I try to rearrange the terms here, let's say, gawin ko siyang e raised to 2x plus 1 minus e raised to 2x over e raised to 2x plus 1 dx. Okay, notice that we have the same term here. And also, we have isang term pa dito na e raised to 2x, which later on, magagamit natin for substitution. Eto. After nyan, pwede ko tong i-separate as two fractions. So, i-separate ko siya. Gawin ko siyang ganito. E raised to 2x plus 1 over e raised to 2x plus 1. Okay? Minus, we have e raised to 2x over e raised to 2x plus 1 dx. Ganyan, okay? Notice that I can cancel this out because equal lang sila, diba? Ito magiging 1 na lang. And for this one, diba ito is equal to this one. Saan ba yan? Ito pala. Diba equal sila? The same sila. So magiging ganito siya. Integral of 1 minus e raised to 2x plus 1, right? dx. After, we already know ang integral nito is equal to this one. Ito pala. So magiging ganito na lang siya. X minus we have 1/2 ln of e raised to 2x plus 1, and since this is our second term, let's say this is plus c2. Okay, so we have two answers, this one and this one. So combine natin. Yan. After nyan, first answer, which is this one, so this will become 1/2 ln of e raised to 2x plus 1. Notice guys, be careful, we still have negative sign here. Saan ba yan? Ito may negative sign pa ha, hindi pa natin siya distribute. So itong positive x magiging negative x, and itong negative 1/2 magiging positive 1/2 ln of e raised to 2x plus 1. Okay? And then itong C2 tsaka C1, if we combine those two constants, it will still equal to constant. So I can combine this as C na lang. Simplify. So the same term to, diba? 1/2 tsaka 1/2 kapag inad mo, equal to 1. So magiging ln of e raised to 2x plus 1 minus x plus c. So wala lang further simplification, so therefore ito na yung final answer. Okay? So that's all. Hopefully may natutunan kayo, and if you have a alternative solution, you can share it to comment, and thank you. That's all.